Happy anniversary to AutoGPT. 1 month anniversary. So if you go to YouTube, everyone is talking about AutoGPT. How to use AutoGPT. Even the famous WION, the Gravitas Media Group, they are talking about AutoGPT. And guys, if you want to know how to use AutoGPT, it is even in the browser. People have made tutorials on that, and I'll try to make sure I give that in this video. Just remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss on anything that I upload, so that we keep moving. So in this video, I'll teach you AutoGPT and how to use AutoGPT. So to begin with, what is AutoGPT? I look at AutoGPT in difference from ChatGPT in this sense that AutoGPT is autonomous. It can do everything on its own. You just give it a simple prompt. And the difference with the ChatGPT is that ChatGPT required you to give prompts every now and then. Prompts like you have to instruct it every time. But AutoGPT, you give it a goal and then it works on that goal. And once it works on that goal, it will make sure it has finished it. Let me show you briefly how ChatGPT worked, because there are some of those who may not have had access or may not have had information about ChatGPT. So I'll log into my ChatGPT account, my OpenAI account, and as you can see, I'm already on the website ChatGPT, and this is where we'll be writing the prompts. I'll show you. You just give it a simple prompt, and these are some of the prompts that I've already given in the past. So you give it a simple prompt and it works it that way. So what is the difference with AutoGPT? It can prompt itself, giving itself feedback and then creating a loop. So here's one way you can think about AutoGPT. Getting the best result of out of applications like ChatGPT required putting careful thoughts into the way you phrase the questions. So that is exactly what I'm speaking about now. It required you to put careful thought and phrase. You have to phrase the question very well. So why don't you let it construct the prompt itself? Then it would come up with the steps that are required, and after it has got the steps, it will create the loop until it accomplishes the task. That is where AutoGPT comes in. It breaks what you give it as a goal into small tasks, then it makes instances of a loop. Then it will go ahead to create that goal, to finish that goal until it gets the results. And here are some of the applications of AutoGPT and AI agents. So while the ChatGPT was famous for the ability to generate code, they were limited to relatively short programming and software designs. But AutoGPT, because it has potential to generate more, even to research on the website, it can help you develop software applications from the start to the finish. That means you not need to take the whole day, the whole week, the whole month learning programming, because AutoGPT can do that for you. All right. So let's learn about AutoGPT. Number two, it has access to the internet. I should have I've jumped that. It can help increase the business autonomously. So number three, we have said it can access the internet. It makes the research. It carry out similar tasks. Then after it has done the research, it will come up with the required recommendations of the business. And the most important thing is that AutoGPT can self-prompt itself and improve itself. This is something ChatGPT did not do. And as you can see, we were saying that AutoGPT has come up with, you can use AutoGPT to make AI agents. One of those AI agents is Agent GPT, and this is one way you can access a website. The way you can use AutoGPT on the website. Number one is Agent GPT. The others, but let me just briefly give you an overview what Agent GPT is. So as I've said, Agent GPT is an AI that has been created by AutoGPT. It configures and deploys autonomous AI agents on your browser. This is how you can access the Agent GPT on your browser. So you just give it your name. You give your AI a name, and then you give it a goal that is imaginable, of course. Then it will attempt to think about that goal. It will create some simple prompt. Yeah, so you said that they are working because it's on beta at the moment. They are working for the long-term memory because Agent GPT, the benefit is that it has its own memory, and this is how it is working on the website. Let me just show you in a moment. So you come to Agent GPT on the website, and this is the interface. This is where you get it, and as you can see from the top, Agent GPT, it assembles, configures, and deploys autonomous AI agent in your browser. So if you make your own AI agent, you can use it on on the website. This is an example. So I'll give this a name. I'll give it the name Video Maker. Let's see whether it can generate a video for YouTube. And then we'll give it a go. Research on new items, new trending news about AI, trending news on AI, and then make a YouTube video. Make a YouTube video. Then I will deploy it. Let's see whether it can create such a video. So you see it understands that it has a goal of researching on new trends and then make a video. So it is thinking. And as you can see, it has task on this right side. Number one is to scrap new websites for articles related to trending AI news. And you see, it is already actually it has finished the my goodness. It has already finished the first task. You see, it gave itself 3 tasks. Was to scrub news. Actually, it is now working on the second. Use natural language processing algorithm to extract key information and summarize the article. Number 3, they should create a YouTube video script summarizing most important and interesting information and record the video using text to oh lord. Then it will use sentiment analysis algorithm to gauge public opinion about OpenAI GPT. Number 4, number 5, it will research more about the ethical implications of the powerful AI language, about relevant information, and finally to find and compile the examples of GPT-3 generated text and showcase its implications and powers. Wow. This is amazing. Guys, remember to subscribe to this channel. I'll be creating more videos of this kind.